Alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text in your profile website. Once you are done with your profile website, all you need to do is click on any text you want to change. In my case, I want to change the name to Adisa Yusuf. So once I click it, it's going to show on this left area. So I'll zoom it so I'll be able to see it better. So I'm going to change it. So instead of Natalia, I'm going to change it to Adisa Yusuf. And once I'm done, I zoom in back and you can see it has changed. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your portfolio images. All you need to do is click on the portfolio image. So you see it that it has loaded to this side. So you click on the edit. So once you click on edit, you click on add to gallery. Once you click on add to gallery, you click on uploads. Then you click on select. So I'm going to be selecting my designs. So I'll scroll down to check for the designs. So I'll go to my recent files. So I've located where the designs are. So I'll click on the three of them and I'll select the three of them. It's going to load the three of them into my media library. So once it's done loading, I'm going to click on the add to gallery button and I'm going to delete the other ones that are not my designs. Click on insert to gallery. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete all the sections in your website. All you need to do is click on any of the sections. You see a blue box up, so you just click on the X there and it's going to delete that section. You click on it again, you click on X, it will delete it. You click on it again, you click on X to delete it. You click on it again, you click on X, it will delete it. You click on it again, you click on X, it will delete it. You click on it again, you click on X, it will delete it. You click on it again and you click on X, you delete it. You must update for it to save what you have done. So for you to be able to see the updates, because there are a lot of icons, you click on this arrow so to collapse everything. Once it's done collapsing, you just zoom it a bit and you bring it down. If you don't zoom it a bit, it won't show it, so you click on update and that's all. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the template kit using your phone. You go to YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, you're going to search for Halal dollars. Once you search for Halal dollars, you click on the icon just before the video. Once you are there, you click on videos. Once you get to the videos, you scroll down to the 5th video, part 1. You wait for the ad to complete and then you skip the ad. Then you click on the title of the video and you click on ... more to see all the template kits. Once you've seen all the template kits, you can click on any of them to download it. So in my case, I'm clicking on bakery. So I'll click on bakery and I'll click on download. It's done downloading. Well, alhamdulillah. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit your template design that you've already imported. Now that we've imported it, we want to edit one or two things. So for example, if you want to edit the text, all you need to do is just click on the text. You double click like this, do you understand? And you click on the left side. It will bring up your keyboard and can delete this. I can also zoom if I can't see it well, so I will see it well, and maybe I can write grill or at grillstone. So once I'm done, all I just need to do is zoom a bit, scroll down. So sometimes it might not be fluid, so you need to be a bit patient because it's mobile. Once I'm done editing that, I can also come here again and edit any text I like, the same way I've explained. So, and the same thing applies to everything that you click on. You can always edit them here, even including the button. You can actually also edit it here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import your installed template kit. So now that we've installed our template kit, now we want to import it into our website. So what we're going to do is going to click on this green icon, which is the inverter icon. In my case, I want to use this template kit, so I'll just click on it. Then you click on import, so and it's going to import it into my website. So sometimes it takes a while to load, so you're patient. Usually when you refresh it, it's going to break what you are designing. Once it's done loading and importing, it's going to refresh the page itself. As we can see, our page has successfully loaded. The first thing you should do is click on update. We have updated our website and it's saved. So this is our website, so we can now make any edits we want to make. So in my case, maybe I don't like this aspect, so I just delete it. I'm just going to come down here, zoom in. You won't be able to access what is down, so you might need to collapse these boxes up so you'll be able to see it, and you click on update. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a free theme on ASTRA. Once you're on your dashboard, you go to plugins and you click on plugins. You click on installed plugins. Once it's done loading, you go to C library under the starter template. You click on it. Once it's done loading, it's going to bring you to a page similar to this. So you're going to look for a template to choose. So you click on this. Once you click on it and it's done loading, you click on skip and continue. Once you click on skip and continue, you click on continue after that. So you click on submit and build my website. So this usually takes a while. I'm going to pause the video now and I'm going to resume once the video is done. Once it's done building your site, you will have something like this. So you click on view your site. Well, alhamdulillah, our site is done. So you click on the 3 icons and you click on desktop site to view it properly. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Elementor Pro on your website. Once you are done installing the free theme, what you are going to do is you click on the My Blog. Once you click on the My Blog, you click on Dashboard. So it's going to take you back to your dashboard. Once you get to your dashboard, you are going to click on Plugins and you click on Add New. Then you click on Upload Plugin. Then you choose the file. So you click on File and you click on the location of the file. In my case, it's in the download. So I'll click on this 3 bar to the left and I'll click on Download. I'll search for Elementor and I'll click on Elementor first before Elementor Pro. Then I'll go to the right and I'll click on Install. So you click on Replace Current with Uploaded. Once it's done, you click on Go to Plugin Installer back again. This time we are going to be installing the Elementor Pro. So you click again on Upload Plugin, then you come down again and you click on Choose File, then you click on Files, then you search for Elementor again. So once you have your Elementor, this time we are clicking on the Elementor Pro. So you click on the Elementor Pro, and once it's done, you go to the right of it and you click on Install Now. Once it's done installing, you just click on Activate Plugin, and then you are good to go. And Alhamdulillah, we have successfully installed our Elementor Pro plugin. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your portfolio website. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to delete our existing sections. So you delete everything. All you just need to do is click on it and you see the option to delete. So you delete everything. Once you are done deleting everything, the first thing you should do is you should save it. So I'm going to collapse this so I'll be able to see my update down. So I'll click on update. So once I'm done updating now, the next thing I'll do is I'll come to this S icon and I'll click on it. So it's going to give me an option to choose between the pages. So I'm going to be looking for the portfolio page. I'm going to come to the right and I'm going to search portfolio. So this is the portfolio, so I'll click on it. So once I click on it, I'll click on Import Template, and to tell me it's importing the template. So it has said it's done importing. Alhamdulillah. So if we close it, you can see that it has actually imported it. Alhamdulillah. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the template kit on your website. Now that you're on your dashboard, you go to Pages. When you get to Pages, you click on All Pages. Once it's done loading, you click on the Home page. Then you click on Edit with Elementor. Now that the page has fully loaded, you first zoom in, then you scroll down to the left. Now you click on the Settings icon at the leftmost. Then under Page Layout, you change it from default to Elementor Canvas. Then you click on Updates. Once that has been done, we delete all of this. So you click delete this, you delete it. I will do that for everything. You click on it to delete, and now we have an empty slate. Once we have an empty slate, we'll come again to the left, you click on Update. Now that we are done deleting all the websites, we can now install a new template kit. So you now click on the Envato icon, you click on the plus button to upload kit, you choose your file and you search for bakery. You select the bakery icon. So I'm currently uploading my bakery template kit. So my bakery template kit has successfully installed. So here are the kits. So I'm just going to be using one of them, so I'll just go to the home. So now I'll click on Insert Templates. As you can see, my bakery kit has successfully installed. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the profile website. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the S icon. Once you click on it, it's going to show you a list below of websites. So you go to the search here and you search for portfolio. So this is the one I want, so I'll click on it. And I'll choose Import Template. So once it's done, it's going to say imported and to mark it. So Alhamdulillah, I'll just close this. I have it on my website, but as I've always said, make sure you save. So I'll zoom a bit, then I'll move it down so I'll be able to see the update, and I'll click on Update. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the YAOST duplicate plugin. So once you're in your dashboard, you go to Plugins. So when you get to Plugins, you click on Add New. Once you get to Add New, you go to the search and you search for duplicate post. So it's going to give you a number of options. So you click on the YAOST, you click on Install Now. Once it's done installing, you activate. Once it's done installing, you activate. And alhamdulillah, you're done. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of your profile image using remove.bg. So you go to remove.bg/upload. Once it's done loading, you click on Upload Image. I'll click on Browse. Come here, go to Recent, click on Images. So I've gotten my image, so I've selected it. So you can see that I successfully removed the background, and all I need to do is click on Download. I'm perfect, I've downloaded it. So if I click on Open, you see that this image is the one without the background. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your profile image in your profile website. All you need to do is click on the image that is there. So I click on the image again on the left. You go to upload, you click on upload and you click on select files. You click on files, then you choose where the image is on your phone. So this is the image I want to use, so I'll click on it. So it's going to load it. Once it's done loading, I click on insert media, and alhamdulillah, my image has been replaced. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use best hashtag on your phone. So you go to besthashtag.com. So besthashtags.com. So in our case, we are searching for website design, so you can just search for website design and we search. So when you want to copy, all you just need to do is click on this copy here. Once you click on it, it will tell you that it has copied, and you paste it wherever you want to paste it. So once I'm done, I'll just click on copy, and once I'm done copying, it will tell me that it's copying. So I'll just go to wherever I want to paste it and I'll paste it. So I'm just going to be pasting it in a note. So but in your case, it's going to be most likely maybe in your Instagram or your Facebook. So I'm just going to click on paste, and there you have it. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.